All right, fellas, today's topic, we're talking about how to make your clothes fit better. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat, where every Friday we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get those compliments. If you're interested, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. With me being a shorter gentleman, it's kind of challenging for me to find clothes that fit me properly. Hey, bruh, join the club. I'm not the only guy out here that has the same problems. And it doesn't happen to just shorter gentlemen. It happens to guys that are a little heavier, tall, or skinny. Hey, don't forget about us muscular guys. Who muscular? Dang, bruh. So today I'm gonna give you 3 things that you guys can do to make your clothes fit better. First tip I'll give you guys is to buy clothes from stores that fit you the best. If you go to a particular brand and you find that those clothes fit you very well versus going with a brand you're not familiar with and they don't fit you well at all, what you need to do is go with brands that fit you the best and stick with those brands. Now, I've experienced this with Banana Republic. I bought a pair of chinos and those pants did not fit me the best. But I also bought pants from Target. Those pants fit me to a T. They fit me well in all the right places and I love it. Another example is buying a t-shirt from Target versus buying a t-shirt from Essentials, which fits me very well. Hey Dad, that's cool and all, but I shop online. Now, a lot of you guys may shop online and you may not be familiar with this particular brand or how those items fit. One thing that I'll suggest for you guys is to utilize the size assistant. The what? It's a way where you can put in your weight and your height and it'll tell you from their experience what they've noticed from guys, your same height, your same weight, and their return policy. If they bought a large, how often did they return that product because it was the wrong size versus ordering a medium that fit them properly. Once you find a few brands that fit you well, you can start shopping there more often to the point where you won't even have to try those clothes on. You can order them online or pick up the item that fits you the best, pay for your items, and walk out the store feeling confident that those items are going to fit you perfectly. Next tip I'll give you guys is to find brands that cater to your body type. Shoot, bruh, you talking about short and athletic? No, just short. Most brands of clothing, when you go to the shopping malls or even when you shop online, they're made for a specific body type. Me being a shorter gentleman, a lot of clothes aren't really catered to me. Now, give you guys an idea, I'm 5'6" and I weigh about 175 pounds. When I go to certain stores, the lowest length that they have is a 30. I need a shorter length than that, which is probably like a 28. Some brands do carry a 28 length, like American Ego, but a lot of the brands that I like, they really don't. What I have to do is I have to pick brands that cater to my body type. For example, me being short, I checked out a brand called Under 5'10". This particular brand is made for guys that are 5'10" and under. I bought 2 pairs of chinos and I bought a pair of sweatpants, and the chinos fit me perfectly. I don't have to get any alterations. They fit everywhere. They just fit perfect. I love the fit and I'm very excited that I found me a brand that fits my body type. Now, the last thing that I suggest that you guys do to make your clothes fit better is probably the obvious. What? Not wearing nothing at all? And that is to go to a tailor. Now, going to a tailor is one of the best ways to make sure that your clothes fit you better. A lot of these clothes aren't made to fit your body type, but they're made to fit a model that's 6 foot, that's probably about 175 pounds. It's made for them and not for you that might be 5'6", 175. Is it just me, or do breasts sound a little jealous? So in situations where you have to shop at these stores that are not catered to you, the best thing for you to do is to get your clothes tailored. An example of this is those Banana Republic pants that I mentioned in the beginning. I like these pants. I pulled them out the back of my closet and I said, hey, can I tailor these to fit me better? So looking at these pants, you can tell they're a little bit loose, but I can still get them off. Not really, but I really want them to fit me better. So what I decided to do is to go to a tailor. Now, I won't go into how to find a tailor. What I did was I went to a tailor. She basically sized me up. If you have an idea how you want your pants or your shirt to fit, make sure you have a picture of someone that has that same fit. But you have to keep in mind that clothes are different. So even though that guy may have on pants and they fit him properly, his pants might have some stretch to them, but your pants don't because they straight cotton. So a week later, I got my pants back and I like the way they fit. They fit very well. I think they look better than what they did. They're not as long. I don't have to cuff my pants like I would have done if I didn't get them tailored. But if I want to, I can. The disadvantage of going with the tailor is that they can be expensive. The total cost for this was about $33 to get my pants slimmed down and the length taken up. Dang, bruh, you must really love them pants. Even though I had to pay a little bit more money to get my pants tailored, they fit me perfect and I love the way that they look and I'm confident in wearing them. And that's very important when it comes to looking your best and being stylish. That is making sure that your clothes fit you best so that when you're wearing them, you feel very confident, you feel very good, and you have a positive attitude. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I'm starting to get more active on there. So if you guys are interested in learning more about me and my story, go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'll link it here or in the description below if you want to check it out. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button because it helps support my channel. And I want to send a special shout out to all my Dappercrats out there. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.